southwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albany to near Brodhead, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Oregon, McFarland, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Deerfield, Cambridge, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Albany, Footsville, Fulton, Albion, Magnolia, Utica, Rockdale, Cooksville, and Indian Ford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.